In this video I will show you how to download and install the Canon Pixma AMG 3640 printer driver on Windows. Follow. Go to the Google Chrome. Enter HP LaserJet Pro P1102 printer driver in the search box and click on the search icon. From the search results, click on the official HP website for that printer model. Select your operating system from the drop-down menu and click on the Download button next to the driver you want to download. Once the download is complete, double-click on the downloaded file to launch the installation wizard. If the installation asks you to connect the printer, do so using the appropriate USB cable connection. Make sure the printer is turned on. Connect your HP LaserJet Pro P1102 printer to your computer using a USB cable. Once the installation is complete, restart your computer if prompted. Your HP LaserJet Pro P1102 printer should now be ready to use with Windows via USB connection.